This is a 2016 A4 2-liter turbo Quattro all-wheel drive S-Line package. Nice, clean, sharp car, Monsoon gray metallic with black interior. Car is under Audi factory warranty until October 8th of 2019, or 50,000 miles, which currently only has 29. Memory seat, blind spot monitor here. Driver's seat, very nice. Steering wheel leather, it's nice and smooth and clean. Start it up here. Has a push button start with the Audi advanced key, so keyless access on the outside. There's the miles, just turned 29. Got navigation, backup camera, satellite radio here, Bluetooth audio here, and other sources. Heated seats. Again, here's the blind spot monitor. This button turns it off and back on. You see the orange flashing there. Let's take a look at the rest. That loud exhaust is not this car. That would be the Porsche Macan over there. Very, very clean and nice. Nothing negative on this car really at all. Passenger seat, it's just as nice as the driver's seat. Trunk. Mats are back here in the trunk. This car also has 2 keys. The daytime LED lights, which I believe was an option package, which I do like to show that in these videos, so let me show you. This is the original information here. Monsoon gray metallic paint and black interior, the technology package with the navigation and blind spot and all that. Premium Plus. Audi advanced key, yeah. Yep, almost $5,000 new. So that is this very nice, very good mileage Audi A4. Come see it here at Auto Assets in Powell, and thanks for watching my videos.